Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from Shakzi.com and welcome in lecture number 13. Today's I'm going to teach you how can you create your labels, badges and jumbotrons. So don't worry, I'm going to explain each and everything, so don't worry. Okay, I'm just commenting this. I can comment this code, I can also comment this code, so you can easily access this code in my if you need. Okay, so now go to your page, refresh the page, make sure we are working on component sections. We are covering, or we are going to cover each and everything from the components. Okay, so now what are labels? First of all, they are providing few labels. For suppose span, and I'm going to add some classes. I'm saying label default, and I'm going to call or create some classes. For suppose I'm saying this is default, this is second, and I'm saying this is third, and now I'm saying this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. So this is your default, similar to your button classes. Default info, you can see you have many. Default danger, remove this, control space, hit the space button. So you have your default, and you have also info, and you have danger, and you have warning. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page. You can see you have these labels. So in this way you can create your labels, or this is your success. So you don't need to style your labels. So these are the built-in style, and Bootstrap providing this these classes. So you just add the class, a particular class, and you can, if you want to modify this, you just need to add your custom class, skz, whatever you want to keep a class name. So it's totally dependent upon you. Okay, so now these are the badges, these are the labels. So what about badges? For suppose if you are creating a notification system, so how can you show the notification, total notifications, like this? For suppose I have anchor href, and I'm saying this is my inbox. Okay, this is my inbox. So I need to add the span, and inside my span I'm saying badge. Okay, so I'm saying 45 notifications. What you need, I'm saying go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see, okay, I have to break the row. Okay, so now you have your inbox, and you have 45 messages. And if you have a button like this, for suppose I have a buttons, and now in the button I'm saying this is my button, and you have remember, if you have remember, and I'm saying messages, how many messages. I need to add a class here. I'm saying badges, refresh the page. So now how many notifications? 56. So now you can see we have a button, and inside the button we have a badges class. It's very useful if you are creating a notification systems and you are defining. So it's totally depend upon you how you are coding and your coding style. You can also create like this. For suppose if you have a UL, and you are saying this is the class nav. If you have remember, this is the pills. I'm saying role equals to tab list. Okay, so now I'm saying this is my li. Inside my li I have a anchor href, and I'm saying inside my anchor I have a span, and I'm saying this is my home, and my home I have 67, and you need to give a class for suppose badges. And now go to your page, refresh the page. So now you have a navbar pills class, and I can add some other allies so you can easily understand what's going on. Copy paste, copy paste. Okay, so now I'm saying this is about us sections, and whatever you want to add, for suppose notification. Refresh the page. So now you can see in this way you can add the navigation, you can create the badges systems. Okay, so how can you, because we are working on component, means we are learning how can you create, how can you play with components in Twitter Bootstrap. That's why we are teaching you step by step how can you create your navigation bar, how can you create your badges, how can you create your form group, input group, and other thing, paginations. Okay, so now jumbotrons. So go to your Twitter Bootstrap. Make sure we are working on Twitter Bootstrap series, and we are going to cover, and we are covering each and everything from the Bootstrap 3.x. Make sure before starting Bootstrap 4 you have to familiar with 3.x. Okay, we are working on component section, and now this is your jumbotrons wheel. Okay, this bird boy. So now you can, if you want to read the documentations, so you need to read the documentations like this, a lightweight flexible component that can optionally extend the entire viewport to showcase key content on your websites. So how can you create your jumbotrons? Okay, so now I'm saying that this is my div. I need to add the class jumbotron, and now I'm saying this is h1 for suppose hello bootstrap, and now I'm saying this is my paragraph here, or content, whatever you want to write. And now I'm saying I have another content like this, and go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see you have your jumbotrons. This is very useful if you want to show something in the box. So this is your box. How can you customize? You can inspect element, and now you can call this class. I'm saying background red, I'm saying color white, whatever. So it's only depend upon you how can you customize. But when you want to customize, you have to give a separate class for suppose sk jumbotron, and you need to call this class here, and you can define your own properties and values as your requirement or your need. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover our page header, thumbnails, and alert, and some other functions which is provided by Twitter Bootstrap. And I hope you are enjoying this series. If you have any problems, or you are facing something, some problems or anything you want to share with me, you can send a message to me via Udemy, or you can send an email at my email address info@shakesy.com. So thank you. So I think thank you for watching.